one day. If you are coming, if you are, you have to come every day on time. Okay.
Okay, I will try.
Yes. So how are you?
वो डिबेट हाँ गुड वो डिबेट के लिए मतलब सबको बोलना है या फिर कई दो जन ही है रहते हैं एक दिन का फिक्स होता है
What do
कि
you
आज ये
mean?
दोनों का रहेगा आई मीन टू से कि जैसे एक डिबेट का आपने एक टॉपिक दियो खाली तो वो
Hmm.
एक टॉपिक में दो दो करके होगा ना कि हाँ ये दोनों के बीच होगा फिर वो दोनों के बीच तो वो रेगुलर मतलब अलग अलग करना है सबको या फिर एक साथ एक ही दिन सबको एक साथ करना है
Yes. सबको पार्टिसिपेट करना है. Everyone will participate in the debate session.
ओ
Yes. So have you done any debate before, like in the school?
नो हम लोग में आया था कि डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए
You didn't done any debate in the school.
नो अभी तक वो टाइम नहीं आया ना कि अभी खाली पार्टिसिपेट में नाम देना था अभी डिबेट हुआ नहीं है
Now you are doing graduation or in 12th. You passed the 12th.
नो ग्रेजुएशन
You are in graduation and you are saying I didn't done any debate session. Like you have done
देखो
your
इसका
12th
अभी
in
कॉलेज
the school.
स्टार्ट
I
हुआ
am
है
talking
और
about the school life. 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, 12th class.
नो हम लोग के स्कूल में कभी डिबेट नहीं हुआ है
अस्सलाम
कॉलेज में
वालेकुम।
Okay. Walaikum salam, Mr. Nur Muhammad. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Yes, I'm also fine. Good. Great.
Very good.
Yes, Madiha, you were saying something. You can continue.
हम लोग के स्कूल में
We are not getting your voice.
अभी हम लोग कॉलेज चालू हेलो
Yes, now you can speak.
हम लोगों के कॉलेज हम लोग के स्कूल लाइफ में कभी हुआ नहीं डिबेट का कभी कोई बात नहीं हुआ है
Hmm.
लेकिन अब कॉलेज में हम लोग का जैसे फर्स्ट डे सेकंड डे हम लोग गए तो हम लोग से पूछने आए थे कि डिबेट करना है मतलब किसी को पार्टिसिपेट तो अभी नाम लेकर गए लेकिन अभी कोई डेट वो नहीं हुआ डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ कि भाई हाँ इस दिन होगा डिबेट ऐसा
Okay.
अभी 2 दिन इस कॉलेज था फिर बारिश की वजह से छुट्टी था तो इसलिए अभी हुआ नहीं
Okay. So it means you didn't do any debate in school.
यस
Okay, done. Hello.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Today topic bed. Bed. Yeah. Artificial intelligence. हेल्पफुल एंड हेल्पफुल मतलब उसके बेनिफिट्स एंड नुकसान
Yes.
मतलब बेनिफिट्स एंड यूजलेस
Yes.
यूजेस एंड यूजलेस 1% बंदा एक बंदा अलग अलग बोलेगा या कुछ टीम बटेगी डिवाइड बाय टीम
Yes, we will
डिबेट
divide.
गुड
Okay. So hello, Iram Rizvi. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Assalamualaikum, sir. I'm
Okay.
good. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fine. Good. So how is your health right now?
Yes, sir. Now better.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam, Mr. Hamdan. So today you are 4 minutes late. Can I know the reason?
I am going to masjid for salah.
Okay. Because of this, you are late.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, but just keep in mind you have to join on time.
Okay.
Okay, so now I think everyone is there because Iram Khan and Sheikh Asif, they messaged me like they are not going to join the class, and Mr. Abdurrahman is a free person. Okay, he has the freedom. So let's start our class. Okay, and one thing I would
Yes, sir.
like to tell, please listen everyone carefully. Are you all able to listen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please listen carefully. Uh, I want to just make the class interactive and engaging. So if I'm going to ask anything like in journal, so anyone can give the answer. You have to give the answer. Okay, don't be silent. And if I'm going to point out the name, so this person will give the answer only. Okay, and don't just be silent, please speak. Okay, yes or no or anything if I'm
Okay, sir.
asking. Yes, because this is not the class like one teacher came and he is just giving the lecture, and whatever you are doing behind the class, it doesn't matter, like you are sleeping, you are doing anything. No, I have to make it interactive and engaging. So you are going to get some knowledge. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So let's start our today's class. So this today is the 1st of August. Okay? So
Yes, sir.
today we are going to see the attendance report because we entered in new month like 1st of August today. So let's see the attendance of July. हम अटेंडेंस जुलाई का अटेंडेंस देखते हैं, उसके बाद बस हम
Okay, sir.
स्टार्ट करेंगे अपनी क्लास को, ठीक है। सो हमारे पास
इसमें
जुलाई में
मेरी
अगर
तो
देखा जाए तो यस,
इसमें मेरी तो एक भी नहीं।
ओके वेट। सो अगर देखा जाए तो इसमें जुलाई में जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 7, फॉर एग्जांपल 7 है, ठीक है। अबू बकर से लेकर के ये तो इरम खान तो अभी आई है, तो 7 लोग हैं इसमें, जिसमें से फर्स्ट है अबू बकर। सो अबू बकर का अगर यहाँ पे देखो तो टोटल जो क्लास हुई है जुलाई मंथ में वो 22 क्लासेस हुई है, ठीक है। देयर वर 22 क्लासेस, टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस 22, जिसमें से अबू बकर प्रेजेंट थे 5 डेज और 17 डेज वो अब्सेंट थे, सिर्फ 5 डेज, बहुत ही कम, ठीक है। सो मतलब ये इन्होंने इन्फॉर्म किया था कि इनका एग्जाम चल रहा है जिस वजह से अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहे। सो 5 क्लासेस 17 absent, and second is Mr. Hamdan. So Hamdan, let's see, 22 क्लासेस में से मिस्टर हमदान ने 13 क्लासेस अटेंड की, 12 और 9 जो है absent था इनका, ठीक है। सो 9 क्लासेस इज absent एंड 13 क्लासेस में प्रेजेंट थे। ओके, इट इज नॉट टू बैड। एंड लेट्स सी द मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद। मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद 22 क्लासेस में से इन्होंने एक क्लास अटेंड की है, जिसमें से 21 absent. So yes, he had a health concern, so he also informed me because of this. So एक क्लास इन्होंने अटेंड किया अभी 30 को आई थिंक, so 21 absent. And now third is मदीहा चौधरी. Let's see the मदीहा चौधरी. So मदीहा चौधरी का अगर हम देखें so ये है आई थिंक टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस 22 में से इन्होंने 4 क्लासेस अटेंड की है, उसमें से 18 जो है absent है, ठीक है। इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है अटेंड करना, अगर देखा जाए 18 को ये आई थी, उसके बाद 2 2 4 2 6 दिन absent, फिर एक दिन आई, फिर एक दिन absent, फिर एक दिन आई, फिर एक दिन absent। वाह, ये क्या चल रहा है, एक दिन आ रही है एक दिन absent। फिर अभी देखो ये 31 को आई, ठीक है, 22 में से 4, मतलब बहुत ही खराब है अटेंडेंस लेवल अगर देखा जाए तो। It may be any reason. And Mr. Abdur Rahman का attendance अगर हम देखें, so yes, this is Mr. Abdur Rahman. 22 में से 11, ठीक है, हाफ भी नहीं है, समझ लो, ट्वाइस हाफ, यस. एंड देन शेख आसिफ का भी वैसे ही है, 22 में से 11 absent एंड 11 प्रेजेंट, मतलब 22 में से हाफ ये लोग क्लास किए. एंड नाउ लेट्स सी इरम रिजवी. सो इरम रिजवी 22 क्लास में से 14 क्लास इन्होंने अटेंड किया और 8 absent. ओके, मतलब हाफ से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है थोड़ा. और नाउ लाइक इरम खान, शी ज्वाइंड ऑन 30th of July. 2 क्लास हुआ है जिसमें से इन्होंने 2 अटेंड किया, ठीक है. So now today is 1st of August. We are going to enter in this month. So I would like to tell one thing. If you are serious, so be consistent in the class. If you are not serious, please tell me. I will remove your name from the attendance list because I have to maintain the name. So it will be better for me also. Okay. So let's see who is there today. Iram Rizvi is there. Okay, Abu Bakr is not there. समझ में आया कि नहीं सबको? मिस्टर हमदान इज देयर. हाँ,
Yes, sir. Got it.
गॉट इट. सो अगर किसी का हाफ से भी कम है तो इसका मतलब कि वो सीरियस नहीं है, किसी का हाफ से ज़्यादा है इसका मतलब वो सीरियस है. मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद इज देयर. अब लेट्स सी अगस्त मंथ में कौन क्या कर रहा है.
हम बट आपको इन्फॉर्म किया था, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप सब ठीक है. इंशाल्लाह इस बार मंथ में 80% से ज़्यादा ही अटेंडेंस होंगी मेरी, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आई, वरना तो सारी करेंगे इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, so there is one rule, like if someone is going to be absent in the class without informing me for 7 days, so I will remove his name from the attendance list. And if he is going to be absent continuously for 10 days, so I will remove the name from the group. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start our today's class. So now we are learning, which chapter we are learning? Great one. Okay, this. Okay, chapter 10, making question sentences we are learning. Okay, let's see how much we have completed. Changing statements into questions. Short answer, yes, no. Common daily, done. It is done or no? Like common daily conversation questions.
Yes, sir. It is done. We already completed it.
It is done. So now let's start from there. Okay, so let's start the common mistakes in question formation. 10 errors. ठीक है. Below are 10 of the most frequent mistakes learners make with the correction and reason. So there is one incorrect sentence like you are coming. Okay, you are coming. This is a incorrect, and correct is are you coming. Then why this is incorrect? Why this is incorrect? Helping verb must come before the subject. हेल्पिंग वर्ब सब्जेक्ट से पहले आना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये जैसे हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है, इसमें आर है, सो वो यू हमारा सब्जेक्ट है, तो सब्जेक्ट से पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब आना चाहिए. आर यू कमिंग? ओके, सो लेट्स रीड एंड ऑल्सो टेल द एक्सप्लेन द रीजन. ओके, सो यस, हु इज गोइंग टू रीड? यस, इरम रिजवी, यू कैन स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Okay, sir. Incorrect. What you want. Correct. What do you want? सर why भी मतलब पढ़ूं या खुद से एक्सप्लेन करना है?
Yes, like yes, you can also explain why missing helping verb do with base verb.
Okay.
So a little bit you can explain, like if someone is not getting.
Okay, sir. What do you want missing helping verb do with base verb? Where you are going, where are you going? Helping verb must come right after the
Okay, wait,
WH word.
one minute. Sorry.
Okay, sir.
So, if someone is saying like, why you are late, this is correct or not?
No, sir.
Why?
It's wrong.
Why you are late? Why are you late?
Okay, but you will notice most of the speaker they are using like this. Why you are late or why you are here. So it means they are speaking wrong.
Yes.
Huh?
Sir, currently, I don't know.
No, you have to show about it. Like you are learning. Like we have, if you are going to use WH words, like what do you want? So you are using the what and then helping verb, then subject. So why you are not sure? Like if someone is saying like, why are you working there? Why you are working there? So if you are going to see by grammatical manner, so why are you working there? This is correct. Okay,
Okay,
next.
sir.
Yes.
So, sir, can you make clear when someone said that why you are here? So it is wrong or correct,
Uh,
or just they say casually?
yes, in casual form, it is like yes, you can speak, but in grammatical way, if you are going to see, it is incorrect.
Okay, sir. Thank you
Yes.
so much, sir. Does she goes to school? Does she go to school? Use V1 after does, not V1 plus S. Did he called you? Did he call you? Use V1 after did, not V2 past form. Have you did your homework? Have you done your homework? Use V3 after have, not V2. Who did call you? Who called you? No. Do, does, did, when, who, what is the subject?
Done.
Yes, sir.
You have
Sorry.
read from there, like what is
Sorry,
your
sir.
name?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
I think you have done from there, like there or there.
I think I have to start from you are coming.
Okay. So everyone got like how this sentence is incorrect and what is correct and why this is like the reason why this is correct and how to just make it correct if wrong sentence. Everyone got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I am not getting the reply from everyone. Huh? Okay. So yes, Mr. Hamdan, can
हेलो
you tell? Yes.
ये जो लास्ट वाला है व्हाट इज योर नेम
Hmm.
इसमें सिर्फ एक मार्क ज्यादा है, इस वजह से क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है इसलिए एरर है। बाकी में क्वेश्चन मार्क है, इसमें एक हर
Your voice is breaking.
जो लास्ट वाला है व्हाट इज योर नेम
Hmm.
जो है इनकरेक्ट इस वजह से है क्योंकि कॉमन नहीं है वो यही मिस्टेक है ओनली।
Yes. What is your name? What is your name? Yes. Question mark. Like every question must end with a
यस
question mark. Okay? If you are going to speak, so it doesn't matter. It only matters in writing. If you are going to write, so you have to make sure. Okay?
या
Yes.
Okay.
Now next is important rules. So who is going to read? Yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can read. Important rules.
Okay. Important rule. Correct word order. Helping word WH word plus helping word comes before the subject. correct helping verb. Match is am, do, does, did, has, had to the subject and tenses. Use V1 after do, does he play? Not plays. Does he go? Not went.
Did she go?
Yes.
Did she go?
Did she go? Not went.
Hmm.
Use verb subject. After have you eaten? Not at. Add plus, not less as a verb first form. Always use a question mark. Every question sentence must end with question mark. Never a full stop.
Okay. So have you got like whatever you read there? समझ में आया?
ये थर्ड वाले में थोड़ा नहीं समझ आया थर्ड वाले में
थर्ड वाले में?
यूज V1 आफ्टर does he
Okay,
play
so
not play
okay. Use V1 means verb की first form after do, does, did. Like does he play? So play क्या है? Verb की first form है या second है या third है क्या है?
ऊपर फर्स्ट फॉर्म
First form है ना? So वही तो बताया है कि use V1 after do, does. If you are going to make the question using the helping verb do, does or did, so you have to use V1. V1 यूज करना है आपको, ठीक है? लाइक डज ही प्ले और डिड शी गो, सिंपल. एंड एवरीवन गॉट इट, लाइक सबको समझ में आया? अगर आपको एक बार में नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो रीड बाय योरसेल्फ इफ यू आर गेटिंग द टाइम. ओके, नाउ लेट्स
Okay, sir.
learn. Yes, now let's learn this chapter by a story. Learn through a story the interview that changed everything. So who is going to read it? Yes, Mr. Madiha, you can start reading it.
Learn through a story, the interview that changed everything. Read this story carefully. Every question sentence is highlighted in bold navy so you can see the pattern clearly. Aisha had her first job interview in Mumbai and she was nervous. She had practiced her English for weeks at Suffolk English Academy, but a real interview felt very different for a classroom. She walked in into the office.
Yes, she
और जो
walked
करना
into
है
the office.
uh, she walked into the office and the manager
She
smiled and
walked.
said she walked into the office and the manager smiled and said, "Good morning, please have a seat. How are you feeling today?" Aisha smiled back and answered confidently, "I am doing well, thank you, a little nervous but excited." The manager began with simple question, "What is your full name?" He asked. "Where are you from?" Aisha answered, each one clearly, remembering to keep her sentence short and correct. Then came a yes no question that made her pause. "Have you worked in customer service before?" She remembered her lesson instantly. Have plus subject plus verb 3. Yes, I have. I worked at a call center for 1 year. She replied smoothly. The manager continued testing her a little more. "Why do you want to work with our company?" He asked. Aisha spoke about her passion for helping people and her wish to grow professionally. He nodded interest and asked,
Are you getting like
"How many
you are
languages?"
reading? Okay, 1 minute. So are you getting like what is happening there in Aisha and
Yes,
manager? मतलब समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
yes. हाँ,
Everyone is
understand.
getting? So, huh?
no
Okay, who is not getting? Mr. Hamdan or Nur Mohammed?
मैं explain करूँ?
Okay, what is the mean of nodded?
Yeah.
नॉडेड का मीनिंग क्या है? बताओ
मुझे
जल्दी
तो
से।
दिख नहीं रहा है कुछ।
हाँ, यस मदिया, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ नॉडेड?
मुझे तो दिख नहीं।
नॉडेड। नॉडेड का मतलब होता है शायद नतीजा या रिजल्ट, ऐसा कुछ
नहीं, सर
को
हिलाना।
बोलते हैं।
नॉडेड का मतलब होता है सर हिलाना। ही नॉडेड, ऐसे किया उसने। ओके,
ओ,
नेक्स्ट।
How many languages do you speak? Three, she said proudly, Hindi, Urdu and English. Near the end, he leaned forward and asked one final question. Can you start from next Monday? Aisha's heart skipped a beat. She smiled and answered, Yes, I can. I'd be happy to. As she left the office, she realized something important. The whole interview was simply a series of questions, yes and no, and WH. And because
स्क्रीन शेयर हो, मुझे नहीं दिख रही।
It may be
and
you
because
have a network
she
issue, so you can check.
and because she understood that structure so well, she had answered every single one with confidence, clarity, and correct grammar. A week later, she received the call she had been waiting for. Is this Aisha? The voice asked, Would you like to join us as our new customer support execute? Aisha almost jumped with joy. Yes, absolutely, I would love to, she said, and she knew that her practice and with question had truly changed her life. Moral: confidence conversation begins with confident questions, master yes and no, and WH questions. And you can handle any real life conversation, interviews, meeting, or everyday small talk.
Okay, good. So have you like understood the story? Hmm? स्टोरी समझ में आया सबको?
Yes,
किसको नहीं समझ में आया?
प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं,
Who was not able to understand the story? Hmm?
प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं,
Yes, Mr. Hamdan is saying something.
पूरा नहीं समझ रहा।
Okay, पूरा नहीं समझ में आया, 50% समझ में आया ना? Okay, so
थोड़ा थोड़ा
if
बस।
you are not able to understand, so you have to start reading more. Okay, so you are going to understand 100% or 80%, 90%. Now there are some exercises which we are not going to practice every exercise there, because there are 5 to 6 exercises in this chapter. Like practice exercises, complete the following exercise sets. Each set has 10 items to build a strong command over question formation. Like exercise 1, make yes no questions. ठीक है? Convert each statement into a yes no question. ठीक है? Let's practice one statement. So she is a doctor. ठीक है? क्या करना है हमें? इसको yes और no question में convert करना है. Is she a doctor? She is a doctor. Is she a doctor? क्या वो डॉक्टर है? मैंने इसको कन्वर्ट किया. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
यस
नहीं.
सर।
Okay. So now they play cricket every Sunday. Yes, Iram Rizvi, you can convert this sentence.
They play cricket every Sunday.
Are they play?
Ji.
So from where this R came?
Sir, because the sentence is simple present and simple present, sorry, the correct sentence is they play cricket every Sunday. Uh, do they play cricket every Sunday? It is correct because it belongs from simple present indefinite.
Yes, now you are correct. So if any
Yes,
sentence
sir.
in present indefinite, you are going to convert, so you have to use do or does. Yes? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what will like how you are going to make? Do they play cricket every Sunday? So with I, we, you, they, you have to use do, or he, she, it, you will use does. So do they
Yes,
play
sir.
cricket every Sunday? And he has finished his work. Yes, Madhya, can you convert this sentence? Don't take so much time, okay? Please convert, otherwise we will move on to the next
Can I?
part.
No idea.
Huh?
नहीं आइडिया नहीं है.
Okay. So yes, Mr. Nur Mohammed, can you convert it?
Yes.
Okay.
Please repeat.
Yes. I have highlighted the third sentence. It is not visible.
Third sentence. No screen, no share. थर्ड सेंटेंस कौन सा है ये तो बताइए, मुझे समझ भी नहीं रहा, बता याद भी नहीं है.
So like Mr. Hamdan and Iram and Madhiya, is it visible for you all?
Yes, sir.
So yes, I can understand.
Yes.
Like there is a network issue in Nur Muhammad mobile. So he has finished his work.
he
Okay, leave it.
He's
Mr. Hamdan,
finished
can you convert it?
his
Mr. Hamdan, okay, leave it.
Has he finished his work? Has he finished his work?
Okay, he has finished his work. Has he finished his work? Yes. ठीक है. So first you have to identify the sentence. सबसे पहले आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है सेंटेंस को कि he has finished. It means this is in present perfect tense. किस टेंस में है ये?
perfect tense में.
Present perfect tense में है. So in present perfect tense, if you have to make the interrogative sentence, so just you have to put the helping verb in the beginning. Has he finished his work? क्या वो अपना काम कंप्लीट कर चुका है? And you went to the market. Okay, leave it. So you all
Yes.
can just do this exercise. Okay, आप लोग ये एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो, बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स मिलेगा. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज एक्सरसाइज 2, मेक WH क्वेश्चंस. आपको WH क्वेश्चंस बनाना है. ठीक है. राइट एस सुटेबल WH क्वेश्चंस फॉर ईच आंसर गिवन द क्वेश्चन वर्ड इन suggested in brackets. Like answer, my name is Rohan. Yes, my name is Rohan को मिस्टर हमदान कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे WH क्वेश्चन से? कैसे क्वेश्चन बनाओगे?
What is your name?
अरे यार यहाँ पे आंसर लिखा हुआ है. हाँ,
हाँ.
एक्सरसाइज में तो आंसर लिखा हुआ है, ये सारे आंसर हैं. माय नेम इज रोहन. व्हाट इज योर नेम? आई लिव इन मुंबई. वेयर डू यू लिव? द क्लास स्टार्ट्स एट 9 AM. When the class starts? I don't know why it happened. And exercise 3, correct the mistakes. Mistake को correct करना. Each question below has one mistake. Rewrite it correctly. So you are ready. कैसे correct
Are
करेंगे?
you ready?
Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? And what you want? What you want?
What do you want?
Yes. What do you want? Yes. And where you are going?
Where are you going?
Okay, just see, Mr.
Yes.
Iram Rizvi. Like this is a sentence where you are going. So we are talking about it like where you are going, where are you going? And next
Sir, where are
exercise,
you going?
yes, and next exercise, and you will get lots of mistakes. I am also getting in the corporate life. सो एक्सरसाइज 4, फिल इन द करेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब। आपको यहाँ पे करेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब फिल करना है। सो फिल ईच ब्लैंक विद द करेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब। एम, इज, आर, डू, डज, डिड, हैज, हैव। सो यू फ्री टुमारो इवनिंग। कौन बनाने जा रहा है इस सेंटेंस को? बताओ जल्दी से, जल्दी बताओ। यू
आर
फ्री
यू
टुमारो
मैं
इवनिंग।
बोलूं? Will you free tomorrow evening?
Will you free tomorrow evening? So why you use like will? Why not are?
Because
आर
because of tomorrow.
Yes. Yes, because of the tomorrow she
Teacher,
add the will, because if there is
single
tomorrow,
teacher.
so you have to make the sentence in future. Huh? Free
Yes, sir.
tomorrow evening. Okay. And this was the exercise 5, and exercise 5 is there like match the question word to the correct question. So you all can do all these exercises to evaluate yourself, like how much I know. ठीक है, खुद से एक्सरसाइज करो और
Okay.
इवेल्युएट करो कि कितना मुझे आ रहा है। ठीक है। एंड एक्सरसाइज 6, कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस। दिस इज अ कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस। ओके। And exercise 7, change statement in question, mixed practice. This is a mixed practice. And
ये
next
6
is,
वाली एक क्वेश्चन,
हाँ,
6 वाला एक क्वेश्चन करा दीजिए बस।
कौन सा 6 वाला? ये
एक्सरसाइज, हाँ
conversation
ये
practice, complete each short conversation by writing a suitable question for the blank. आपको suitable question लिखना है। जैसे यहाँ पे एक A है, so यहाँ पे B है। I am from लखनऊ। ठीक है। सो इसको कैसे बनाओगे आप? कंप्लीट ईच, एक क्वेश्चन आपको बनाना है। ठीक है। यहाँ पे
यहाँ यू आर यू फ्रॉम, ये होगा ना, आर यू फ्रॉम, आई एम
नहीं,
फ्रॉम लखनऊ,
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम।
क्योंकि कोई क्वेश्चन
यहाँ पे आपको
आर
ए
यू,
में लिखना पड़ेगा।
मतलब यहाँ पे कोई,
यू हैव टू राइट इन ए लाइक वेयर आर
वेयर
यू
आई,
फ्रॉम। सो बी में आपको रिप्लाई मिलेगा कि आई एम फ्रॉम लखनऊ।
ओके ओके,
एम आई करेक्ट और नॉट? और आप ए में लिखोगे हैव यू ईटन योर फूड। सो यहाँ पे यस आई हैव ऑलरेडी ईटन, थैंक यू। मतलब आपको रिलेट करना है ना कि क्या पूछ रहा है। द ट्रेन लीव्स एट 6:30 इन द
यस
मॉर्निंग।
यस,
व्हेन द ट्रेन विल लीव। इस तरह से आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है। यहाँ पे आपको सेंटेंस उसका आंसर मिलेगा। गॉट इट? एंड 7, देन देयर आर सम पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस शीट। पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस शीट भी यहाँ पे आपके पास। ठीक है। एंड नेक्स्ट इज, next is chapter summary, like key rules. This is a chapter summary, so what you learn in this chapter. Okay. And important formula, there are some important formula like yes no questions को आप कैसे बनाओगे? helping verb plus subject plus v1 v3 ing object। wh questions कैसे बनाओगे? wh words and helping verb। see there is helping verb, helping verb use करना। daily speaking practice। And now conclusion। okay, so who is going to read the conclusion? Okay, so very quickly, okay, so the screen is not visible to Mr. Noor Muhammad, I think. So this is a conclusion of this chapter, and there are some recommended references like from this book. uh, we have designed this chapter, Raymond Murphy, English Grammar in Use. Okay, so we have completed this chapter, Alhamdulillah. Done? So you have to read by yourself this chapter. So you are going to know more about it. Let's move on the news reading part. So today we are not going to give lots of time to the news reading because today we have to do a debate on this topic. So we need more time for the debate. Okay? Yes, no.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is the news which we are going to read. Okay? Let's open. Mr. Noor Muhammad, you can leave the meeting then join. If the screen is not visible.
Yes, we.
Then done.
Hello.
Okay, if it is visible, done. Okay. Let's read this news today. Uh, Ceuta migrant crisis latest update: death toll rises to 57 as thousands return to Morocco. The Spanish Interior Minister said 37,500 had already returned to Morocco, with 100 more going back by the hour. This is a clash. So Morocco security forces clash with migrants attempting to cross into Spain's North African enclave of Ceuta, near the town of Nidec on the Morocco-Spain border. Okay, so from there, Ayram Rizvi, you can start. The death toll from the.
Okay, sir. The death toll from the unprecedented migrant rush into Spain's North African enclave of Ceuta has risen to 57, with authorities recovering the bodies on the Spanish side of the border, as the government said it had largely reversed the mass crossings that saw tens of thousands of people enter the territory. Spain's government representative in Ceuta said 57 bodies had been recovered on the Spanish side of the border. Reuters reported there could be additional casualties on the Moroccan side. Officials said some migrants drowned while others were crushed as they attempted to climb the breakwater supporting the border fence.
Okay, thank you. So thank you for reading, and it was great. Okay. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can start from there. Like migrants returning from Ceuta, says Spain.
Hello. Yes. Migrants returning from Ceuta, said Spain. Spain said most of the more than 50,000 people who crossed into Ceuta by land and sea had already returned voluntarily. The Spanish Inter-Ministry
Interior
estimated
Ministry.
that around, yes,
The Spanish Interior Ministry estimated.
the Spanish Interior Ministry estimated that around 37,500 migrants had gone back after crossing since Thursday morning, while Utah Regional Government Chief
Chief
John
Juan
Jesa,
Jesus. Yes, Jesus.
Juan Jesus Vivas said as many as 60,000 people had entered that enclave over the past couple of days.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Hamdan. It was good. Yes, Noor Muhammad, you can start from there. Moroccan Right Police.
Right. Once there and canal cross to reach or report added one VSL. हेलो आवाज आ रही?
Yes, you are facing some network issue. Your voice is breaking, but you can complete this paragraph.
हेलो
You can complete this paragraph.
स्क्रीन गई.
Okay, let's.
Hello.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Nur Mohammed. Yes, Madhiya, you can start from there. Moroccan right police using batons.
Moroccan right police using batons, tear gas, and water cannon to disperse crowds attempting to reach Ceuta. The report added burned out vehicles, including a bus and 7 cars, were seen following classes near the frontier. On the Spanish side, military vehicles were deployed along sections of the border as migrants gathered on nearby hills of Morocco. Morocco Moroccan security forces clashed with migrants attempting to cross into Spain's North Africa enclave of Ceuta near the town of Nidic on the Morocco-Spain border on July 31, 2026.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Madhiya, for reading it. Good. So everyone just completed his reading, or anyone left? कोई छूटा है? Anyone can speak. कोई छूटा है? मिश्रा हमदान,
Yes.
कोई छूटा है पढ़ने से? अभी कोई है ऐसा जो नहीं पढ़ा है?
नहीं पता मुझे तो. नहीं है.
Okay, so let's see the word. Let's understand the news. Ceuta एक जगह का नाम है, जैसा कि पता चल रहा है. Migrant. What is the meaning of migrant? Migrant का मीनिंग क्या है? Anyone?
सर माइग्रेंट वो लोग होते हैं जो वेदर कंडीशन के हिसाब से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर जाते हैं.
Okay. A person who moves from place to place looking to work. कोई भी एक ऐसा इंसान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करता है काम करने के लिए, उसको माइग्रेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
यस, माइग्रेंट. एंड क्राइसिस. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ क्राइसिस? क्राइसिस मीनिंग किसी को पता है? क्राइसिस मीन्स डिफिकल्टी. कोई भी मुसीबत जो होती है ना, उसको बोलते हैं क्राइसिस. ठीक है? समझ में आया मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद और हमदान?
यस.
क्राइसिस का मीनिंग क्या है?
कोई मुसीबत या कोई
डिफिकल्टी. यस, मुसीबत या डिफिकल्टी. सो सियोटा माइग्रेंट. सियोटा के जो लोग माइग्रेंट करके गए हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. सो क्राइसिस लेटेस्ट अपडेट. उस क्राइसिस के बारे में, डिफिकल्टी के बारे में, मुसीबत के बारे में लेटेस्ट अपडेट है. डेथ टोल राइजेस टू 57. डेथ की जो तादाद है वो 57 हो चुकी है. एज थाउजेंड्स रिटर्न टू मोरक्को. और उसमें से हजारों जो है वो मोरक्को रिटर्न हो चुके हैं, लौट के जा चुके हैं, ठीक है। द स्पेनिश इंटीरियर मिनिस्टर, इंटरनल मिनिस्ट्री को इंटीरियर मिनिस्टर बोला है, ठीक है। इंटीरियर मिनिस्टर, इंटरनल मिनिस्ट्री said like 37,500 had already returned to Morocco, जिसमें 37,500 लोग पहले से मोरक्को रिटर्न आ चुके हैं, with hundreds more going back by an hour, और उसमें से मतलब जो है कुछ 100 लोग भी अभी वापस आने वाले हैं, कुछ घंटे में वापस आ रहे हैं, ठीक है। I hope you understood. Like in this image, you can see what's happening. Like Morocco security forces clash. Morocco की जो security force है, clash means, what is the meaning of clash? नहीं पता?
Clash means like टकराव, कुछ इस टाइप से
Yes,
होता है।
clash means टकराव ही होता है, ठीक है। दो लोगों में, जैसे यहाँ पे लोग दिख रहे हैं, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस दिख रही हैं, उनके बीच में क्लैश हुआ। सी
Clash. Yes, yes.
clash to fight or disagree seriously about something, वही clash, ठीक है। दो लोगों में लड़ाई होना उसको बोलते हैं clash. With migrants attempting to cross into Spain's North African enclave, जो migrants हैं, ठीक है, attempting to cross into Spain's North African enclave, वो attempt कर रहा है, मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of attempt? Yes, no, पता है, नहीं पता है?
ट्राई करना।
यस, अटेम्प्ट मतलब कोशिश करना, ट्राई करना। अटेम्प्टिंग टू क्रॉस इनटू स्पेन्स नॉर्थ अफ्रीकन इंक्लेव, सो वो लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं क्रॉस करने का स्पेन के नॉर्थ अफ्रीका में, ऑफ सेउटा, नियर द टाउन ऑफ निदक, निदक में जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो लोग, ऑन द मोरक्कोस स्पेन बॉर्डर, स्पेन के बॉर्डर को क्रॉस करके वो लोग जाना चाह रहे हैं, ये सारे लोग हैं, ठीक है, ये माइग्रेंट है। So the death toll from the unprecedented migrant rush into Spain's North African enclave of Ceuta has risen to 57. 57 लोग मर चुके हैं अभी तक, with authorities recovering the bodies on the Spanish side of the border, as the government said it had already reversed the mass crossings that saw tens of thousands of people into the territory. So what is the meaning of authority? Authorities का meaning क्या है?
Authorities like our government.
Authority means 1 minute. The power and right to give orders and make others obey. Yes, you can also say in government की जो bodies हैं उनको authority बोलते हैं। The power and right to give order, जिसके पास power होता है और right होता है किसी को order देने का, उसको बोलते हैं authority, ठीक है। And territory का means क्या है? What is the meaning of territory? Yes, Mr. Noor Mohammed, territory का meaning क्या है? हाँ, do you know the meaning?
Territory.
हाँ,
Territory जो स्टेट नहीं होता वही ये दूसरी territory.
यस नहीं क्लोज आ गए थे, ठीक है, वो भी एक मीनिंग है। जैसे हमारे इंडिया में, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लुक इनटू द इंडिया, लाइक देयर आर 28 स्टेट्स एंड 7 टेरिटरीज, ठीक है, वो तुम बता रहे थे, वो भी एक सही है। लेकिन टेरिटरी का अगर लिंग्विस्टिक मीनिंग देखा जाए तो उसका मीनिंग होता है सिर्फ एरिया और लैंड, कोई भी जगह को टेरिटरी बोलते हैं, ठीक है। देखो, एन एरिया ऑफ लैंड दैट बिलोंग्स टू वन कंट्री, एक कंट्री से कोई भी लैंड या एरिया जो बिलोंग करता है उसको टेरिटरी बोलते हैं, ठीक है। तो सिंपली तुम जगह मान सकते हो, जगह, लाइक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल इंटो द टेरिटरी, मतलब उसकी जगह में आ गए, उनके लैंड में आ गए हैं, ठीक है। This is so much time. So now it is enough for today. Let's start. Okay, so one thing, like कल हमने एक idiom पढ़ा था। हेलो
जी,
कल हमने एक idiom पढ़ा था ना, और मैंने ईडीएम बोला था सबको लिख के लाना और सब भेजना ग्रुप में, लेकिन किसी ने नहीं भेजा है, किसी ने भी नहीं भेजा है, मतलब वन सिंगल लाइक किसी ने। ओके, सो कैन आई नो द रीजन तुम लोगों ने क्यों नहीं भेजा? हाँ,
सर मुझे ऐसे याद हो जाते तो मैंने लिखे नहीं, और ये सब मेरे पढ़े हुए थे तो इस वजह से भी नहीं लिखे। मैंने सोचा जो न्यू कुछ आएंगे जो नहीं पता होंगे उनको कर लूंगी।
ओके। एंड मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद?
मुझे तो हमें लगा कि मुझे नहीं बताया,
तो कल तुम थे ना,
इस कंफ्यूजिंग में रहे हमने लिखे।
कल तुम थे ना,
थे, हाँ थे
तो फिर कल मैंने क्या बोला था?
जी।
हाँ,
हाँ,
और
कल
यस यस
बोला था,
ओके,
लेकिन
मिस्टर
मुझे
नूर
पता नहीं,
मोहम्मद,
याद
नूर,
नहीं।
अरे मिस्टर हमदान,
मैं भूल गया था।
ओके, मदिया मदिया चौधरी। जल्दी बोलो प्लीज, टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास यार। व्हाई यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, लाइक वी डोंट हैव टाइम, प्लीज रिप्लाई इमीडिएटली। क्यों नहीं लिखा तुमने?
भूल गई थी।
चलो आज तो फिर रहने देते हैं, कुछ ये इडियम्स बंद कर देते हैं, क्या फायदा है इसको
इतनी
पढ़।
नहीं कि नाम सुनते ही काम हो जाता है।
So,
लिख
like
लेंगे जरूर।
yesterday you was even not aware about the idiom. तुम्हें idiom के बारे में पता भी नहीं था idiom क्या होता है। तो तुम्हारा काम पहला क्या था, जा करके सर्च करके पढ़ना कि idiom क्या होता है, कौन कौन से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट idioms जिसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं, और तुमको ये लिखना भी था, पांचों लिखना था, सिर्फ एक नहीं लिखना था, लेकिन तुम भूल गए। सो इसका मतलब आई कैन सी द क्यूरियोसिटी, हाउ मच क्यूरियोसिटी यू हैव। ओके, so today we are not going to learn any idiom. Let's start speaking. Okay, so there are 4 students today, like Madiha Chaudhary, Noor Mohammed, and Hamdan Khan and Iram Rizvi. So you can just make 2 group immediately. 2 group. कौन किस में जा रहा है?
लड़की लड़की एक साथ।
अच्छा ठीक है।
यस
So Iram Rizvi and Madiha A group, Mr. Hamdan and Noor Mohammed B group. So let's. What is the topic for today? Today debate topic. What is?
The impact of intelligence ऐसा कुछ है।
Tell tell the entire topic. Complete topic.
फुल
Artificial intelligence helpful or harmful? ठीक है। Artificial intelligence, it means AI, harmful or helpful. So please choose immediately, harmful or helpful, group A or B. जल्दी चूज करो कौन सा लेना है।
Helpful.
हाँ,
Harmful.
okay.
Harmful.
Yes, harmful. So group A, choose the harmful. They are going to give lots of evidences and everything to prove like AI is harmful. And Mr. Noor Mohammed and Hamdan, they will prove like AI is helpful. You have to give lots of evidences and lots of studies like AI is helpful for the human. So now there is some rules which you have to remember. Please mute your mic if you don't have to speak. Listen the rule. Okay, so first rule is like if A group is going to start, like our today's debate topic is this, and she will start speaking, only you have to speak 2 minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes. This is not a speech, you are going to give the lecture for 5 minutes or 8 minutes. Speak in 1 minute or 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. Just give 1 or 2 points first, Then Mr. Noor Muhammad and Hamdan will give the answer, and they will also include point. Then they will give the answer. So like this, you have to give the points, evidences to prove like helpful, and they will prove harmful. सो पूरा लेक्चर नहीं देना, 2-2 मिनट, 1.5 मिनट, 2 मिनट बोलना है. अगर इरम स्टार्ट कर रही है तो नूर मोहम्मद बोलेंगे. मतलब ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, ए ग्रुप वाले में कोई भी बोलेगा और बी ग्रुप वाले रिप्लाई करेंगे. सो लाइक इफ शी इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, सो मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद और हमदान कैन गिव द आंसर, एंड दिस विल बी लाइक दिस. गॉट इट? सबको समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes.
एंड एवरीवन इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव द इंट्रोडक्शन सबको नहीं देना है कि आज का मेरा टॉपिक ये, डिबेट का टॉपिक ये है, सो आज हम ये बात करने. नो, जस्ट यू हैव टू व्हाट शी हैज गिवन द एविडेंस, यू हैव टू जस्ट प्रूव लाइक नो यू आर रॉन्ग. सो ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट मिस्टर इरम.
Everyone. Today's our debate topic: how artificial intelligence is helpful or harmful for human life. My point देना मतलब शुरू कर दूँ.
यस यस, यू कैन स्टार्ट.
Okay. So, as you all know that in today's world, AI is very popular through different kinds of apps like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and many more. So, AI makes human life very easy and simpler because it helps human of all ages, like it helps children in playing different kinds of games also, and teenagers in their studies, and also the some older people in research purpose. So it makes our life simpler and very easier. Through it we can quickly search what we want.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Noor Muhammad, you can give the answer. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can give the answer. What they are doing? सब सो गए क्या ये लोग?
I don't know.
Hello.
Yes.
नूर भाई बताएंगे आंसर.
Yes, Noor Muhammad, start.
अच्छा.
So, Mr. Noor Muhammad's voice is not clear. I think he's facing some network issue. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can reply.
Yes, sir.
You can reply, Mr. Hamdan.
आंसर
Harmful. You have to talk about the harmful.
यस harmful. नहीं पता आंसर. नेक्स्ट बताऊंगा.
भाई, ये तो डिबेट स्टार्ट होने से पहले तुम्हारी टीम हार गई. You are going to lose the debate. Last time they talk like 30 minutes, half an hour on the social media. Yes, Mr. Noor Muhammad, you can reply, like you can tell the evidence, like how the AI is harmful.
Yes. Hello. Yes. Harmful is. Hello, sir. मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है?
Yes, we are getting your voice. You can speak.
Yes. So, harmful is very bad because Uh, artificial intelligence is research papers is fastly, for example, Chat GPT and other platform, online platform. Good help, help, no harmful. Harm. Hello.
Iram, wait, 1 minute. Iram, you choose for the motion, like AI is helpful.
Harmful भी choice.
लेकिन ये इन्होंने तो ऐसा मुझे लगा कि हेल्पफुल के बारे में बताया इरम ने।
हेल्पफुल के बारे में बता दिए वो गलती से सब।
Sir, you said that you have to introduce the topic, so I introduce the topics of whenever someone introduce the topic or start the debate, they just tell the importance of that thing. Generally, this thing is common, so I thought that you give me that thing that you have to introduce about its benefits, so that's why I explain it.
Okay, so first time you choose the harmful, then I got confused. Like why you just given the evidence of harmful? So I thought like you choose that you choose the harmful.
Sir, I'm comfortable in both, whether it is harmful or helpful. But you said that you have to introduce first of all, so that's why I have to introduce the benefits, because you know very well that if we will start a debate, we have to first introduce its usefulness, benefits. Then after it, we argue. Then other people disagree with us that no, it is not correct that you are saying that it is always good
Okay,
or
okay,
always in favor
okay.
of.
Let's see. You are going to talk about the harmful. Okay. Yes. So, Mr.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Adur Mohammed, you have to give the evidences and you have to talk about the helpful. How AI is helpful. How many benefits you are going to get with the help of AI. Okay.
Helpful.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Help.
भाई आज का डिबेट तुमने मारा, सब लोगों ने खराब कर दिया एकदम से, ठीक है। कोई मतलब it was so good. We had done last week, but आज का ना थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन भी हो गया स्टार्टिंग में, और फिर अभी देखो बोलने वाले भी नहीं है। मिस्टर हमदान said like I don't know anything, and Mr. Noor Mohammed is facing the network issue. मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद नेटवर्क इशू फेस कर रहे हैं। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, सो लेट्स डू वन
हम
थिंग।
दोनों में डिबेट करते हैं,
किन दोनों में?
इरम और मेरे में।
ओके, यस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद एंड हमदान, यू बोथ हैव टू अब्जॉर्ब, ठीक है। तुम दोनों लोगों को अब्जॉर्ब करना है कि डिबेट कैसे हो रहा है, और फिर नेक्स्ट वीक मतलब वेनेसडे को तुम दोनों को करना है, ठीक है। यस, सो यस मदीहा, चूज
कौन से वो कंफर्टेबल है, मतलब दोनों में।
ओके, बेनिफिट्स तुम ले सकती हो।
बेनिफिट्स,
हाँ,
ओके,
हेल्पफुल।
स्टार्ट
एंड
करो।
इरम विल टेल लाइक हार्मफुल। यस, स्टार्ट।
So, AI is helpful in our life. AI from Google Maps showing the fastest route to AI process AI process sorry AI saves our time in a big problem like traffic management and medical research. So AI is helpful for us and AI is also help us to study and going anywhere, and artificial sorry intelligence in a powerful
Hmm.
tool for process,
Okay.
and AI is the key of responsibly.
Okay.
अब उसकी बारी.
Yes. Now you can revoke.
Yeah, I agree with you that AI is very useful for us in today's generation, especially. But we will not able to say we can not able to say that AI is completely good for us, because AI also mention that AI can also makes mistake, because our professors also suggest that not blindly trust the AI on anything, whether it's regard about your health, your education, or any particular topic. You have to use your own mind also, because in today's world, students just blindly rely on AI, and do not study completely through themselves, and do not go through the books. So this become a major problem for them when they face any kind of interview or any kind of viva, because in that the interviewer asks them deeply, and they just read anything from AI just through just in a gist, and thought that it is enough, but it is not enough. So we have to use our own mind also.
I think you want to say that student will become lazy using AI.
Yes.
So that's I give an example that calculator से max खत्म नहीं हुआ, वो और fast हो गया. Same with AI. If student use AI to understand, not just copy, then it's make learning and deeper. It's about how we use it. And AI has no emotions. Exactly, at that's good in surgery, in air traffic control. We want AI give where human makes mistakes. And also AI is the pen. Human are the writer, and the pen is not dangerous. It depends on who is writing.
I already mentioned it before giving my answer that AI is beneficial, but not completely. I clearly mentioned it. So when you give the example of calculator and AI, so there is a big difference between both of them, because calculator is completely used by a human purely, in that the numbers put by a human, and also the whole calculation is totally
Your
totally
voice is too slow.
totally used by human. But in case of AI, we just type random prompt and randomly type anything. We are many of us not know how to use AI properly. So this become one of the disadvantage also, because if you don't know to use anything, then it surely give you disadvantages. And the other example you said that it depend upon the person who use it. Yes, it is very right, because it depends upon a person who use it. So if we talk about in general, so generally the people who are using AI are very uh, newbie people who have who has not too much knowledge about to use it, because they are not professionals. So that's why they just randomly type anything and paste the outcome on their CVs or on their presentation, and then when their interviewer or their professor asked them, they completely got blank. So this is one of the biggest disadvantage AI. Um,
Yes, you can reply.
Yes, you absolutely right. Calculator and AI are different, but the idea behind both is the same to give humans calculator remove the burden of uh, long calculation, and also AI is removing the both free up human time for creativity and innovation. When calculators come, we didn't stop teaching maths. We started teaching engineering. Then the same AI come, we won't stop teaching writing. We start teaching how to use AI to write better.
I already mentioned this thing, and now I'm mentioning again that AI is good. It makes our life easier, but not completely good for humans. Cause you said that like calculator make human life simpler. It makes our calculation easy. Same thing happened with AI, but you forget that AI is not only restricted to about writing content. It connected with so many more activities like generating pictures, generating voices, and so many things. So I said that it is not true to said that in every perspective AI is beneficial for human, because in every perspective need another kind of skills, and it is not true that AI is pro in every skills, because AI is also makes mistakes, because AI is made by humans, not humans are made by AI. So it is an it is like a technological power which we use through different kinds of apps in our electronic gadgets, but we completely depend on it, or we blindly trust on it, so it only harms us, harms our career, because if we blindly trust on anything, it completely ruined our mental thinking, our rationality. Then we stopped how to generate new ideas, because if we stop using our human brain, then one day we will forget that how to use AI also, because things are connected with each other. So we have to use our own brain also. If we put anything on AI and it gives us outcome, so we have to just check it ourselves also, not blindly just posted it on anything, on any CV or any presentation. So it is not a good habit.
So, okay, thank you, Iram. She left the meeting now. I think there may be any network issue, okay, because she messaged.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, yes, I think like the debate session was not good as I thought. Like the previous, like you talk with Abdur Rahman, so it was also good. So what you have to do, like Mr. Noor Muhammad is facing network issue, and Mr. Hamdan is saying like I don't know, but this was the good. Like we have divided into two parts. So yes, Sheikh Asif is not there, but we will do it more interactive. Okay.
Okay.
But yes, because you are able to speak. Yes, Madiha, she can also talk and speak. But if they both can join, so it will be more engaging and more interactive and more good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have, yes, I want to say something to Mr. Hamdan and Mr. Noor Muhammad. Like you both are also not sending the recording activity. Okay, you both are not sending the recording activity. So if you are getting the chance to speak, why you are not doing it? If you are not doing it, you are not going to get benefit. You will not be able to speak. Are you getting or not?
Yes.
So how if I will ask to you like Mr. Nur Muhammad or Hamdan, like if Madiha or Iram Rizvi, they both are able to speak, what is the reason behind this? Yes, Mr. Hamdan, what is the reason behind this? क्या रीजन हो सकता है इसके पीछे?
प्रैक्टिस करा होगा।
प्रैक्टिस करा होगा। और यस, नूर मोहम्मद, what is the reason behind this if someone is able to speak or talk and you are not?
यस, टॉपिक को अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा और रीडिंग की होगी, मेहनत की होगी,
Yes.
जो हमने नहीं की
Okay.
है।
So if you are able to see like someone is fluent and someone is speaking, but I wish like I could speak like him. So there are lots of efforts behind it. You're not going to see like you're not going to be fluent in 1 or 2 months. People are just giving the years to become fluent. So you are getting the opportunity to speak. So you have to speak. Because if you are there and you are not able to speak and participate in the debate session, I think you are not getting knowledge or you are not focusing on the learning part. So please just be serious and if you are getting the chance to speak, speak. Because I'm not talking about the mistakes. I'm just talking you have to speak. But right now I'm not
Yes.
getting anyone's recording in the group. So just if you are getting the opportunity to speak, please speak. Otherwise, you're not going to improve. Okay? Because I was thinking like you both can talk at least half an hour. हाफ एन आवर ये डिबेट चलना चाहिए था, बट हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशन से रिलेटेड चला नहीं। ठीक है, सो यू डोंट हैव टू से लाइक मुझे नहीं पता है। मुझे नहीं पता मतलब मैंने टाइम निकाल करके सुबह में टॉपिक को क्यों भेजा था। मैं उस पीडीएफ को ओपन करता हूँ, हालांकि आप लोग खुद ओपन करके देख सकते हो, लेकिन फिर भी मैं उसको ओपन करके मैंने डिबेट सेशन भेजा। So if someone is serious, he is going to at least see, okay, so this is today's debate topic. So I have some knowledge or not. मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ आइडिया है कि नहीं? मुझे तो कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं है। So let's read about it. चलो पढ़ लेते हैं, गूगल से, चैट जीपीटी से, कहीं से भी बुक से कुछ पढ़ लेते हैं इसके बारे में। बट इफ यू आर थिंकिंग लाइक ओके चलो देखते हैं कुछ भी होगा, देखते हैं क्या होता है। ठीक है,
No.
so you are not going to get benefit.
But I see.
So just focus. Okay, I would
Yes.
like to say like focus. So you are going to get benefit. Okay, so
Yes.
done for today. We will meet tomorrow inshallah. Good night. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum.